Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to copy private key on Phantom Wallet app. First you just open up your Phantom Wallet app and then you tap on the account at the top left corner, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, tap on the account, then you can see show private key, the last option. Now what is private key? Private key is the only way to recover your wallet. So if anyone see your private key, never share your private key with anyone. Then you tap on the agreement at the bottom to show that you will not share your private key with anyone. Mark it, tap on continue. Then you select the account you're using. You have to be really careful not to share a private key to anyone, because if someone has a private key, they'll have full control of your wallet. So authenticate as you see, and then you copy or you write it down and tap on done. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this which you put up every day.